Alright, so we got a no ice call. SY604. Definitely no ice in there. Machine is turned off. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Go through the sequence of operation. Harvest valve opens. Dump valve opens, dumping water out, which there is none in there. Water comes in, compressor turns on. Got a nice flow of water. That doesn't seem to be an issue. Machine's pretty dirty. Could use a cleanup. Alright, machine shut off, fan never turned on, high pressure cut out. So I always keep one of these little splitters in my wallet. Got a few of them in my bag also. Just as a diagnostic tool, just to bypass something when I need to. So now I'm going to bypass the fan cycle switch, which I'm assuming that's more than likely the issue. Alright, so I thought it was a fan cycle switch, but looked like the fan cycle switch is already bypassed. Second step, go to see, does the fan motor freely spin? Which it does not. So we have a bad fan motor. Alright, so we got a new fan motor, and it's now spinning. Machine stays running. Let's run a few cycles, see if there's anything else we can find. Alright, so we changed the fan motor. Made ice 3 times in a row. A little slow, but machine is pretty old and it's pretty warm in here. So we're gonna call it good. Tell them to keep an eye on it.